My God, this is freaking so cool.
It looks amazing.
Yo, that is so freaking cool. My God, that is sick, guys. Dude, I've never seen one of these in real life.
Meet you.
So this is Haywood.
Hello, Haywood.
Haywood.
I'm so excited. It's one thing to be able to review it, it's one thing to be able to look at it, but then it's another thing to be able to drive it. That's right, I am about to drive the Rezvani tank. Oh, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna do a quick little overview of the whole truck. That way you guys have an idea what I see. This thing is nuts, man. This is everything I've ever wanted in a truck. Look at this hood. Oh my God, how aggressive is the hood? You guys know me, man. You guys know me. I love my aggressive hoods. Look at this angle that just drops in, it curves and it drops back in, and then the vents on the top. I mean, it's ridiculous. I love the front end. It's aggressive, it's clean, it's futuristic. We're talking to Rezvani, and one of the words they use to describe the truck is chiseled, and I like that. It's chiseled, it's chiseled. This one specifically is running 37 by 13.5 by 20, so it's a nice size, nice and meaty tire for the road. Oh, look at those freaking Fox shocks, bro. Oh, I love the angles and all the cutouts, like this area here, this little dip, I don't even call it, but this dip in, and then it comes back out here and it dips in. It's just so angular. Guys, this truck is so mean, man. If I would build a truck, this is it. This is it. This is what I would build. Rezvani branding on the side. This also is a retractable step. Hop right into the inside. And of course, you have a locked gas cap because, you know, people be f***ing around. And then look at the back. The back is just redonkulous. Are these taillights? What are these?
Looks like your reverse lights.
Reverse lights?
These are the brake lights, turn signals, and these are reverse lights.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, you see them? They're kind of, it looks like it's glass, but it's actually, I think that's a light.
I thought they were defrost lights.
Oh. So they've got a lot of nice details. This is the LED license plate light, but it's got their logos on there.
Yeah.
There's a lot of attention to detail.
Oh, dude, it's so light. It's so freaking light. I love it. Look at that. Just one click. Boom. The space is not bad.
Look at these little areas, the in-between areas. They're finished really nicely.
A lot of manufacturers, when they paint the cars or trucks or whatever, inside these gaps and these little crevices, they normally just kind of cut corners and skip things out because no one sees it, right? It says open, so they forget about it. They just don't care about it. But the fact that this is as clean as it is impressive.
Did you notice the locking gas cap?
Oh yeah, I said that earlier. Again, so you don't f around.
Oh yeah, see?
That looks really cool. Oh,
I like how it's hidden, and then yeah, when you turn it on, it kind of wakes up and like, oh look.
It's a nice shape too, like the little angle cuts. Guys, look at this door. It's pretty massive, right? But I love the fact that it's still really light. It looks deceivingly heavy. And of course, you have the super soft Napa leather seats. This one has white. Of course, you can pick whatever color you want. This view alone is so cool. I love the white on the dash. It's so clean.
It's a soft.
Alcantara on headliner. Oh, it's so poofy and soft.
This is kind of like the Daytona style seats.
Oh yeah, there is.
It's raised up. There's like quite a bit of headroom. I mean,
normally it starts right here, but now they raised it up. This is probably a good what? This is probably a good like 4 inches.
Yeah.
And that's just right here. It gets higher up, even higher here.
Perfect for basketball players, tall people, football players. I think they'll like the headroom. Even in the back, it's massive headroom.
So I showed you guys earlier the Fox suspension, which they changed out, and they also improved other things as well. And so this is running on 37's mud tires, and I had a Jeep before, and I had 35's mud tires, so I have an idea how it feels. This is definitely a lot smoother than that, even though this is a much bigger tire. This is a 37 instead of 35, and this is a 13.5 instead of a 12.5.
1, 2, 3, go. This feels way faster than your Jeep for a 4-cylinder.
Feels more stable than my Jeep.
Yeah, that too. Feels faster than your Jeep. Oh my God.
And it has bigger tires.
Yes.
Oh. Do you think it's because the engine alone?
The transmission as well.
Oh, because it's an 8-speed.
The transmission, the torque. This peppy, feel that. Crazy futuristic looking, impractical looking, but still very, very practical. And I think that's what people like. It's like, you know, like how women love Louboutins. Like,
wait, what?
They're honestly impractical shoes because the heels are so high, but they look so good, so people want them. But this looks so good, but it's so easy to drive. Solid, fast turn. Look at this. You would not think a tank can turn like this. Whoa! pretty solid.
It doesn't have that lean.
Yeah.
That's what I like. It does not have that lean like the Jeep does.
Yeah, like it feels like it's gonna roll. It's got amazing Fox shocks on here, so that's gonna help it.
I'm gonna go hit the grass.
There's no grass.
Hit this grass. Up top, you guys have a light bar. What I like about this whole setup is that Rezvani said that everything they built for this package is easily maintainable, meaning if you ever had to change out the light bar or change out anything or like change out the windshield, for example, let's say you get a rock chip, you crack the windshield, you gotta change it out. They made everything as easy as possible to change out. It's not gonna be easy to maintain something so custom like this usually. So the fact that they took into consideration that, hey, you know, people are probably gonna be daily driving this because this is very daily drivable, we're gonna make sure that we can make it also very maintainable. So I love that. And of course, some Rezvani tank badging here. I like that. A America flag. I love the doorstep because it's really quiet. It has a nice mechanical noise to it, but it doesn't sound bad. When you close it, boom, that's it. Door handles are nice and recessed, which I like. I think this is cool because what I tend to notice what happens is dirt gets up, they sling on the doors and they get on the door handles and it's like, oh god, you know? So the fact that it's kind of recessed in a little bit, it should help kind of keep it clean. And these light up too.
Oh, it's bright.
Oh, so light bar is on, headlights are on with the little daytime running lights. That looks clean.